Well, on the way home, stuck in gridlock. So, yeah, some dude way back had a blowout on a U-Haul trailer. I don't know what this guy's issue is. Probably forgot to put his top up or something. But, whatever it is, it's slowing everybody the hell down up here. Look at that, we're doing a whole 5 miles an hour on the interstate. It's like people in Louisville can't drive in normal weather. In crappy conditions, crappy drivers get worse. But, and I guess this would be a good time to mention that I've got a new little pine tree in here. But, come on now. Jeez. Whatever it is up there, it's pretty bad. Can't tell from here. Nope, can't tell. Oh well, I'll be back in a second. Well, it's been maybe about 1/8 of a mile since I last checked in with you guys. The sign over there says accident ahead, so I'm gonna go with what the sign says. There's an accident way up there. And this is exactly why I left early, to avoid this crap. You know, I turned the radio on for some entertainment, but YouTube doesn't like to hear songs in the background. They've got SoundHound or whatever they run on their videos to say you've got copyrighted music in your video, and when it's just like the radio in the background, or it's somebody's cell phone ringing or whatever. You know, I'm not making a whole music video or claiming that I wrote it. Jeez, I'm just trying to keep myself entertained while I'm driving. No sign of the accident yet. I'll check back with you when Well, the sign there, it says caution, caution, caution. Be cautious of what? Should I be cautious of caution? Yeah, but, you can tell the little safety crew came out here to put a truck out to let people in. Probably stop in my lane, let a 1/4 mile of traffic get over. But, portable cameras. The next generation of rubbernecking. But, can't tell from here what happened. Breakdown, maybe? I don't know. Don't know why, if he's on the shoulder, that it stopped everybody else. That I have no freaking clue. But, they got the big tow truck out. Whoa! Big lightning strikes. Maybe catch another one. Come on, lightning strikes. There's the rumble of the thunder. Well, just nothing blocking the road. I guess it's just a brake check. Yeah, like a brake check. Stop again. At least we're doing 10 miles an hour now. Oh well. Oh, and what's this up here I see? Why, everybody's having a party and they've not invited me? Ho-ho! Hello, that's our problem. Jesus. Tore that sucker right open. Man! Look at that! Jeez. Oh, we can go back to full speed now. Alright, cruising speed. Well, figured out what the problem was.